Hey, this is Aaron. Today's the first day warm weather in the New York, Long Island area, and I'm just enjoying the sunshine and the warm air. So I've opened up the door in my garage to give it some air because it's been stale for the whole winter. Anyway, just to show you some of the things that I'm working on right now. Let me fix this camera. This is my shop. All right, so this is a Trolson refrigerator I'm restoring for a customer. It's 38 years old, and the customer is wise to save it because it's a rare piece of machinery. Here's another one here that I use. This is completely original and has all the parts, and I use it as a fireproof cabinet to keep all my flammables in here. This is a Sub-Zero wine cooler that I restored, rebuilt. It still actually has a bit of a warranty on it. This is a BI 36 I just picked up. I just bought this from a customer, and this is a fairly new one compared to other things I have in my shop. This is some of my equipment. That's my blast cabinet. I have some welding equipment over here, and there's another one here, plasma cutter. I keep all my tanks and refrigerant and things over there. And I have this workbench, which is my mirror. I have this workbench here. I'm working on another project for my truck. And this is a GE monogram. This is a 36-inch. It has a refrigerator, a Freon leak in the freezer evaporator, which is up in the ceiling up there. A very, very tedious process to fix that. And so I particularly took this in because I think it would make an interesting project, and restoring this and getting it back up and running, someone will always beat it. And some of the machinery I have here for making things, welding tanks. All right, so that's it for now. Just wanted to say Happy Easter to everybody. By the way, that's my coach. He gives you a different point of view when I have to use both of my hands. Anyways, my press and air tank and all the other things I have in my shop. And I have a lot more in my other garage. Okay, that's it for now, guys. See you around.